Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I have another torch, another light, Sofirn SK-30. It looks like this, and package is just here. And that's how it's come, and let's go unbox it. Okay, we have a box here, Sofirn SK-30, 3000 lumens, 392 M, maybe meter, beam, dual taste switch design. And this side is also just only brand name. And here is what actually is do Eco Low and Medium. It should be on Eco mode 42 hours, which is so long. IPX8 and 1 meter drop is always. That's not too much, but it's okay. 1 meter should be more for tactical one. And also there is a strobe light as well. It means it should be flashing. Okay, and let's go open it. Oh, it's missing. Never mind. This is a nice package. Okay, it looks nice. We'll check this first as what is inside. For safety hand. Spare rubbers. USB-C manuals. Okay, let's go open this one. We can use this for your belt. Just clip in, open it, take it off. Wow, it looks nice. Aluminium. Not heavy, it's still okay, but holding very well. Also got a clip here. Okay, as you can see, here is bright something read me first, and you make sure you take off isolation disc between the battery and contact to make a working one. Okay. Boom. Nice big battery. It's have a 5000 milliamperes. Okay. Close it, and we will now switch on. Wow. A couple more. And also flashlight. Oh my god. How it looks like? It's amazing, yeah? Okay. Oh, it's so strong. Yeah, it's brilliant. Oh, it's so strong. Okay. Okay, and now we will try switch off my light to see how strong is this in the dark. Okay, now we have a dark room, just on my computer RGB is on, and we now switch on this light like this. Wow! Wow! That's actually a big surprise for me. Look at that, how strong is it? I think it looks nice. And now we try the strobe light. Oh yeah. That's interesting. Okay, can we check this light outside now? And like I said, we are now outside, and we'll have a look how strong is it Here, as you can see, there is nearly nothing to see, but we'll take this lamp and switch on. Yeah, you can see low, second, third, three of them, and also it's another flashing. It's not bad. It's actually really nice light. It's really strong. Okay, hopefully you like it, as I like it. It's nice and big. Okay, I will switch off my lights off also now on phone. And now it's without the light from my phones. As you can see, the lights like this. It's have a nice beam. Yeah, let's go. Not bad, not bad. I like it. Okay, hopefully you like it as well. Click like, subscribe, have a look on the description for more information regarding these Sofirn SK-30 lights. Okay, this from my window, and as you can see, it's so strong. I like it. It's so nice. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this light is amazing. I like it for the price it cost, which is 47, which is price cost 47 euro. It's not bad. Not bad price, good quality, and amazing lights. I'm surprised how far these lights can go up. What's right here? 400 meters nearly? That's probably true. That's probably true. It's so nice, strong light. I can recommend these. More you will be finding on the description. Hopefully you like it. And yeah, it's amazing. Not more work. Just click subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. See you later.